Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Whirlpool. Whirlpool is the top choice for a reliable French door refrigerator brand, according to the J.D. Powers report. KitchenAid and Samsung follow in second and third place, respectively. Another notable finding: the polls report also named Whirlpool as the overall most reliable home appliance brand.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average repair on a French door refrigerator is 26% more costly than the average repair for side-by-side units. Failures include malfunction of the crushed ice maker, the bottom freezer not maintaining temperatures, or the ice maker leaking and making loud noises.
Let's help you make your mark.
Our best refrigerators of 2021 rating. Number 1 Maytag French Door Refrigerator, MFI 2570FEZ. Number 1 Samsung French Door Refrigerator, RF260BEAESR, AA. Number 3 Whirlpool Bottom Freezer Refrigerator, WRB322DMBM. Number 3 GE Side-by-Side Refrigerator, GSS25GSHSS. Number 3 Samsung Counter Depth Refrigerator, RF22N9781SG, AA.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.